It's fate and destiny. It's just a combination of the past, present, and the future. If it's your time, it's your time. Nobody can stop that. Like nobody can stop that. As long as I'm passionate about anything and I put my mind into it, I'll do it. I've got my profession and I've got my passion. And I'm doing both of them at the same time. I don't listen to negativity or listen to what people say. I just enjoy my process, enjoy the process. You know what I mean? I just like doing things that my heart wants to do. Life is a journey. Take one step at a time. That's it.